right now. So let's take care of the next thing, which is creating the products. All right, so let's go ahead right here. So there is the link, the anchor for creating the products. So I want to go ahead right here, and I want to go and make this so it will go to our route of create dot products right there. So let's save this. Now copy this and go ahead to your links. Paste this in. So let me copy this and paste it like that. So let me cut this. All right, and let me go right here and just paste this in. All right, so this is create dot products, and I'm gonna go right here, create products like that for the function. All right, and this will be create dash products like that. All right, so all what this link is going to do is to simply display some kind of page, you know, that contains a form. That's actually everything. So just save this. Let's now go ahead and copy this part and go right here to admin controller. Let's paste this in. Let me copy this part right here. Let me go ahead and paste it like that. All right, so let me cut this and paste. So this will only, as I said, display a form. So I'm just gonna go right here, delete this. So this will be admins create products like that. All right, so save this. Now let's go ahead and create this blade. So if I go to the admins folder, if I go ahead to create products.blade.php like that. All right, so there we go. I want to go ahead right now and I want to go to create dash products. I want to pick up my form. So for the form, if we go ahead and copy this, paste it like that. So this will be end section. All right, so if we go right at the top, if we go all products, let's copy the part right here. All right, so if we paste this in, save. Now if we refresh this, it actually click on this. If we hover over this, you can see that it's going to /admin/create products. So if we click on it, we should go to a form like that. So yeah, awesome. So right after this, let me now process the logic. So I want to go back once again to the links. All right, so I want to actually close this, and I also want to close this and this and this right here. So let me go back to the links. I want to copy this and I want to paste it like that. So this will be post right here, and we can leave the link the same as the git link. And we can go right there and name this so it will be store products like that, and this will be store products like that. So you just save this, copy this, and go to admins controller. Let me go down at the bottom and paste this in. And I want to go to actually a function that's allowing me to create something or store something. So I guess, yeah, we want to copy this function right here, store admins, because it's going to be a bit similar. So let me copy this and let's go down at the bottom, paste, and let me cut this and paste it right there. So again, since we're trying to store something, we're just going to pass in the request. This is the part for the validation. Let's not take care of this, you know, right now. I just want to go ahead and I want to insert something really quick. So right here, this will be store products like that. All right, so we're gonna, you know, naturally, insert this in products in the product model. So all right, after this, we're going to create. So we will actually grab a couple things right here. So here we have the name, the price, the image, and the description, and the type. All right, so name, price, and image. So name, price like that, and this will come from the input, you know, with the name, price, All right, so let's copy this, like, and paste it a couple of times. Let's remove that. Right after this, so we will have the image. So I'm just gonna paste the image right now, and we're actually gonna grab it, not for, let's leave it like this, and we're gonna fix it later. All right, let's just move along. So right after this, we will have to grab the description. Actually, do we have, like, yeah, there is a description right there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of copy, gonna name it, and gonna give it a name of description. So I'm just gonna first of all give this a name of description like that, and I'm gonna go ahead, click the structure, and just not to make any typos, I'm gonna go ahead and copy this and paste it like that. I'm gonna go and save. Let's now go ahead right here and make this so it will be description, and it will come from the input, with the name description. Right after this, we have the type, so the name right here will be typed like that. So I want to copy this, again, save this page, and let's go right here and paste this in, and also paste it paste it right here. All right, so as for the image, once again, just open up your resources section for this video. You're gonna find this code actually that will allow us to insert the image easily, because this is such a big deal in Laravel, and I don't want to overcomplicate it, anything. So simply, this is the destination path, the path, where the image will be inserted, and it's in the assets folder, and it's in the images folder inside the assets. All right, and this is simply just a very simple variable that will allow us to grab the name of the image that we're trying to insert. All right, so right after this, we're gonna go ahead to request image, and we're gonna move, basically, we're gonna move the new image that we're trying to insert inside this path that we already set right there. All right, so what we're gonna do right now, in order to insert this, we're just gonna copy the name of the image, which is inserted or stored inside this variable, and we're gonna paste it right here. All right, so this will be everything, basically. We copy this right now and paste. Right after we insert, I want to go ahead to this and check if we insert it. So if we insert it successfully, we're going to redirect back to all products like that, and we're going to go ahead to the success page. So this will be, for example, product created successfully like that. All right, so if we simply go ahead to all products right here, and we're gonna go ahead, well, actually, I want to display the part for the message, so let me go to all orders first, copy this, and then let's go ahead back to all products. I want to go ahead right above this, for example, right above the card, and paste it like that. So this will be success. Copy this, all right, and paste it right there. So yeah, this will be actually everything for the message. So let me close this off, and now let me take care of the form so we can finish this up. So I want to go right above, right at this part, and the action right here will be route of, let's go back to web.php. Let's copy this route name, which represents the link for the post request. Let's paste it like that. And the ink type right here will actually help us to simply upload a file with this form. So if this is not right here at the form, this will not upload a file or an image. All right. So now we have the inputs. Well, actually, before the inputs, let's not forget the CSRF. So the inputs, the name is name. That's fine. The name is price, and the name is image. That's great. And the description right here, the name is description, for this text area. All right, after this, we have select, that name is type, and it says right here, it shows type, and the value right here is drink and desserts. So I'm just going to keep the strings and desserts. That's actually everything. So yeah, and the button right here, type is submit, and the name is submit. So let's save this. Let's now go ahead and give it a try. So if we refresh this, well, before we even give it a try, I just want to go ahead to my C right here. I want to go to example, and I want to go to htdocs. I want to go to coffee blend, and I want to go to my public folder. I go to assets, and when I want to go to images, for example, I want to insert something, but I want to remove the image from this part, you know, and put it like in some other place, and then I want to insert it once again. To just ensure that we're, you know, that the image is being uploaded. So if you look right here, you can see desert-4.jpg. Let's go ahead and cut this whole image, so it will not be there. And I want to go right here at my desktop, and I just want to paste it like that. All right, so it's right here. So again, it's not here anymore. As you can see, desert-3, desert-4, -5 right away. All right, so yeah, let's go ahead and try to insert this, and let's see if it's now got uploaded right here at the images folder or not. So again, let's go ahead and refresh this. Let's now try to type the name for this. So this will be cake, for example. The price, it's gonna be like $10, and the image, let's go ahead and grab it from the desktop where I put it. All right, so now if we go ahead to desktop, so there it is, you know, desert-4.jpg. so the description, let's go ahead and grab some any kind of fake text, you know, and let's go ahead, choose type. I'm going to choose deserts. So if I click create, let's see what's going to go down. All right, so we have an error. So general field type does not have a default value. Let's see, request. Let's go to the products right here, click browse. All right, so it did not even insert. So there is something wrong with the type right here. Field, if we go right there, so the name is type, so that's fine. So what is it? If we go back to admin's controller, so this is type, and it's going to be grabbed from the request type right there. So what's the problem exactly? Request type. I thought that we, you know, that we're gonna have a problem with the image, but we're having a problem with just inserting simple text, which is weird. So if I go back once again right here, if I copy this type, if I go ahead and paste it right here, so it looks fine to me actually. So the name right here is type like that. So the value is strings, and the value is simply deserts. So there is no problem right here. If I go back once again, if I try to refresh this, so again, let me try and go for the price. It will be $10, and the image right there, it will be, all right, now let me now copy this. The type right here, it will be deserts. So if I click create, all right, so again, it's the same error. So this is weird. So just give me a second until I figure this out. All right, so I figured it out actually right away. If you go to the model product right here, you can see that we did not add the type right there. This is why it's not seeing this. Let's just add the column type in the fillable right here. Just go to models, and then go to product, and you will see the product model right here. So after you add this type, you know, this problem should be actually solved. So if we try to go continue like that, all right, so product created successfully. So there we go. There's actually the image right there. There is the name, the price, and the type. If we go now to our database and click browse, as you can see, there is actually our record row, anything that you want to call it, you know, our product. So the image right here is desert-4.jpg. Let's now take care. Let's now check if this is uploaded to the images folder or not. So if you go to public assets, and if we go to images, you know, you will see actually desert-4 right here. So now it's being uploaded. All right, so it should show up right there. You know, if you look right here, you will actually see it. It's right over there. All right, so yeah, it's working perfectly. As you can see, it's right here. So yeah, this will be everything. In the next video, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you how to delete these items or these products right here.